what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. We got another awesome watch face to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now this one again is coming from PS Watch Faces. This guy has been doing awesome work. This one, to be free, it's very, very nice, right? So let's check it out. Now, the name of the watch face is called Watch Glacier. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice look. It's going to be an analog look. And once the watch face is on, you get everything that you can want or need out of a watch face so far as information is concerned. The design is not bad at all. Now remember, you got that animation that was going around the bezel of the watch. You won't get that this time, but that's cool. I mean, you got a nice design, nice stylish analog hands. You got a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and you get the best of both worlds, people. Analog and digital. Now you get your digital time up at the top, you got animated seconds. To the right, you're also going to get your weather. You come down, you got heart rate information, your date, you got your battery info down at the bottom, calories burned. You also get shortcuts like music, phone, settings, and by a single tap you can go right into it. It's very responsive, not bad at all. Same thing for your weather if you need to go into that. So for a watch face to be free and casual, this is a definite download. But if it's not, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to go download. And listen, enjoy the rest of the year, people. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button on the way out. Help the channel out. All right, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.